Hello everyone, my name is Atib Russell and welcome to my CS50W Project 0 set. For this project, I created a Google search clone using HTML and CSS. The website includes three pages. Number one is Google search, number two is Google image search, and number three is Google advanced search. In order to explain the workflow of the project search, I think it is better to run the project. I believe that running the project will make it much easier for my viewers to understand the functionality of the Project Zero search. Let's run the program now. I have used VS Code to create the project search. To run the project, I have to click on this index.html and click on this open with live server button. The moment I click, my Google clone search engine will open up. Let's start. Number one is Google search page. At the top of the right, there are navigation links that allow users to move between Google search, Google image search, and Google advanced search. The search box submits queries directly to Google search endpoint using queue parameter. This page also includes Google search and I'm feeling lucky navigation buttons. Here I can search anything I want. Suppose I want to search the current price of NVIDIA 5090 graphics card. The moment I hit the enter button, the prices of the various products of NVIDIA 5090 will be generated. It shows and also means that my project is running correctly. Second thing is image search page. This page works similarly to the main search page, but it includes the TBM equal ISCH parameter, which sends the query to Google image. The objective of this page is users can search term and view image results. Suppose I want to search the image of an iPhone. Suppose let's say iPhone 17 Pro Max. I want to search the image of the iPhone 17 Pro Max mobile phone. I'm clicking on the enter button and see the iPhone images, 17 Pro Max images are booting up. It means that my project is also running for this image search page. Then head back to my main search page. And the last is Google Advanced Search. This page contains 4 search fields. First one is find pages with all these words. Second thing is find pages with exact phrase. Third option is find pages any of these words. And the last option is find pages none of these words. Advanced parameters are AS_Q, AS_EPQ, AS_OQ, and AS_EQ. I also like to showcase that I have also created a custom style sheet which is called the CSS or oblique design. Using CSS, design includes a Google style colored logo, a center search layout, rounded search bars, style buttons, and navigation links. Responsive layout for smaller screens. Finally, I would like to share that I have tested each page to make sure search queries work correctly. Image search redirects properly. Advanced search fields send the correct parameters, and navigation between pages working properly. So that's all about my search project 0 of CS50W. This completes my CS50 project 0 search. Thank you for watching.